Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to send an email to two recipients without them knowing that the email has gone to the other recipient via email on Gmail using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Gmail, and two recipients that will be receiving the email. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, go to the top right corner, click on Gmail, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's click on Compose, increase the size of the email window. Now let's go to BCC and then select the two recipients, one being the admin, the second one being myself. Let's now choose a subject, which is test email. Dear customer, I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the link below. And then you could insert the link. For the purpose of this tutorial, kind regards. And then insert the signature. We could then click on send. And this email will be sent to those two recipients. I can click on view message to confirm the message. Test email, dear customer, I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the link below. Kind regards. Let's now minimize Google Chrome for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock, go back to Launchpad, go to Outlook. Enter to open up Microsoft Outlook, and then we should have an email in the admin inbox that is called test email, and the admin would not know that this email has also been sent to another customer. So that's how you blind carbon copy many clients at the same time for them not to know that this email has been sent to different recipients. So we can now quit Microsoft Outlook, go back to Google Chrome, quit Google Chrome. And so that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.